For the last one, we are expected to identify the quantity demanded if ever there is a if these are the data that you have. So price is 35, price of cherry cheese is 30, advertisement expense is 50,000, but since it says in thousands of pesos, so 50,000 divided by 1,000, so 50. And then for the income of buyers, that's 25,000 in tens of thousands of pesos, so that's 2.5. We simply need to replace these numbers to our equation here, to these variables, to find our Q. And I have already computed that for you. Okay, so some of you, you put 30 times 50. But then when you already wrote the answer, for 30 times 50, you just simply put 150, not 1,500. So I don't know why. Next, we need to change the price, because it says here that Jessie Cheese wants to compete with Cherry Cheese with the pricing by bringing its price down to 30 as well. So everything else is constant, ceteris paribus, except for P, which is brought down to 30. Okay, so from 3 times 30 instead of 3 times 35. Obviously, you have 1,575 ng Q higher than 1,560 because there was a decrease in the price. That is already something that is given, that is expected. So you said in your explanation that yes, it was worth it because the quantity increased. But was it really worth it? Okay, look for something that is not obvious, but you're just simply looking at those obvious answers. This is expected already, pero enough siya ayhan nga nagpa-decrease ka sang price mo para makakuha ka sang quantity nga amo na nabawi mo siya. Now let's try to check. When your price was just 35, the quantity was 1,560, and your total revenue, when you multiply that, that's 54,600. You decrease the price to 30, hoping to increase the quantity demanded. But was this a good decision? Our TR here is just 47, lower than the 54,000 earlier. So this has something to do also with elasticity. Wala na kay wala lang gid siya lagi emphasize. But without you knowing about elasticity, okay, it's already somehow inabalando ka, ano na siya, medyo obvious na siya nga nga kabalo ka na nga ma-increase gid ang quantity. Pero nabawi mo ayhan ang ginperde mo sa price. Okay? So wala siya nabawi in this case. Hindi man ta ka-compare about cost, kaya wala pa man kita costing. So we are just simply looking at the total revenue here. And based on the TR is lower in the second price compared to the first price.